Hi, it's Recorders. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can avoid installing malware using an utility that it comes with Windows 10, which is called Windows 10 Sandbox. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go and type Task Manager, and then in here we're gonna go into Performance Task, and then obviously into the CPU, and we need to check that the virtualization is enabled. Yeah, so the first step, like I said, we type Task Manager, and then we go into Performance tab, and then CPU. Okay, that's the first thing. Once we know it is enabled, all we have to do is type turn Windows features on or off. Okay, you can do it through the control panel, but that's obviously quicker. In here, once we got this Windows pop-up, we go down into Windows Sandbox. Okay, in your case you won't have this tick, so all you have to do is press click. You will press OK, and automatically it will start downloading some files and some extensions that you will need to be able to generate this fresh copy of Windows 10, which the best thing of this is basically you can install, you can try some programs that you might think it might contain some malware, and then once you know it is fine or not, once you press exit, that will automatically delete everything you have done. So your Windows host, it will never be affected with this malware or this virus you can have on these projects. Also, I would like to say this is only for Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Enterprise. Okay, I believe it will be this functionality will be coming on Windows 10 Home, but we don't know what date will be. But I think it's fairly okay to have it, because otherwise you need that functionality as well. So okay, so once we got this Windows 10 Sandbox activated, yeah, like I already had it, all we have to do is type Windows Sandbox. Okay, this app, we press click. Obviously it will allow me, because it will ask me, do you want to run it? I'll say yes, and then you will be able to see it's a fresh copy of Windows 10. It doesn't contain anything, so obviously all your packages like Visual C++ or any other extensions, you will have to install it. But in here you can see like it's a fresh 10. Let me make it bigger. We got this up bar, which you can see you can pin it or unpin it. You can see the network quality, and then obviously minimize, maximize, and exit. Okay. One thing I want to show you as well is I got this file here, which it could be a file, it could be a program, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna copy and paste, because drag and drop, it doesn't work in this case. Okay, so because this is an entity different to your main host, you cannot drag and drop. Okay, so we're gonna make it bigger. As you can see, we put this is test Windows Sandbox, that's all I write it, and we go internet as well, so you can check your emails just in case. You can download some programs that you might think it might contain some virus, and then you can run it, test it. Once you're happy with it, you can go back and install on your host. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this scenario. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.